him. Yele, yele, yele. Big and Quayo. Si yo di non pas privé.
Welcome to Eritaj 2024.
Ça fait des hommes pas ouais, pays ouais changer couleur. Ça fait des hommes qui t'aiment, figili marqué misère. Nous plutôt fermer des jeunes, faire semblant ça va changer. Nous plutôt fermer des jeunes, des petites pas nous pas tourner mes amis.
I want to welcome everybody that came out and everybody that continues to come out each year to support what we're doing. This room, everybody in this room and everybody that I've met and everybody that's involved in all the programs that we are involved in makes the load much lighter and make things a lot of fun. And I get to do this with a group of people who are really committed to our mission and our vision.
Só você liga. Oh, mes amis, mes amis, mes amis. Oh, oh. Caribe.
"2024 was another one for the books. Let me tell you, not only did we have an awesome keynote speaker, we had 10 amazing students that we awarded scholarships to, going to all different types of university, from Princeton down to Howard University, down to my alma mater, Florida A&M, and all of these students were talented. We also got a chance to highlight our most impressive businesses that we have right here in the Metro Atlanta, Georgia area. We had even one business that came directly from Haiti that won the Haitian Innovation Award.
But the winner is, drumroll please, Jude Jean-Baptiste with Palm Bleu.
This is what's happening. This is what we're doing in our community. We're building that bridge and we're making sure that it's happening. So if you are not here at Portion Day 2025, I don't know what to tell you. But we had a blast this year and we're gonna continue to do it every year, celebrating style, celebrate achievement, celebrate excellence, and make sure that you are there to enjoy it with us.
Yo di Michael qui en bas même dans CIA. Son si bas la gâchette. Son si bas la gâchette. Fanatique Karimi pas même dans CIA. Son si bas la gâchette. Son si bas la gâchette. White Square, le bang bang, le qui bang. Pays moi tout net dans un film cowboy. Tout le monde sait. Bang bang, le qui le. Mais pays m'baille